Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to make this cyanotype-like effect in Adobe Photoshop. It's a super simple one, so let's jump right into it. Over here we just have our images and a texture. You can find this texture linked in the description down below. It's part of my latest texture pack, which is completely free, by the way, so you just go ahead and download the pack and you get these awesome already transparent textures. Just drag and drop them onto your graphics or your images and they're textured. Now I want it to be inverted, so I want it to be white and not black. So I'll just press Command I on a Mac or Control I on a PC, and we get this transparent plastic texture looking thing. Now, this is the treatment we're going to go ahead and do for our images. Just select the image you want to use and go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur. Now we want some areas to be real blurry and some to be more in focus. So I'm going to add about 5 dots, and let's say I want this branch more in focus. I'll just give that maybe 1 or 2 blur. And then on the sides, I'm going to add quite a lot, maybe 70 here and 13 here, something like this. You can obviously add more if you'd like, or less. This is totally up to you. When you're happy with how it's looking, just press OK. Now on top of your texture, go to the Adjustments tab, add a grain adjustment, play around with the amount, the size, and the roughness. You can go crazy over here. Go back to the Adjustments tab and this time add a gradient map. You can just delete this gradient map layer mask. We don't need it. Click on the gradient and we're going to double click on the black dot and we're going to make it dark blue. Press OK. And we're going to move it to about 20 for the location. You can either write the number here or just drag it. On this other side, we're going to add a really light blue, and we're going to move it to about 90 for the location just to give it a little bit more contrast. Press OK, and that's basically it. If you want to add the same exact treatment to your other images, you can just click on this little arrow. You're going to see the blur gallery effect, and I'll just hold down the Alt or Option key, click, and drag it to the image below. So the blur just transfers to our other image as well. I'll repeat this for my other 2 images I wanted to use. And there we go. It's a super simple effect. It's never going to be exactly the same as doing a cyanotype print in actual real life, but it's a really easy and cool way to achieve a similar effect to that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to comment down below if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions for future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.